To get started with Apple Pay on your iPhone, first ensure your device is compatible and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Apple Pay is available on iPhone 6 and later models, and can be used for online and in-store transactions. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your iPhone. To do this, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and follow the prompts to add your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done via email, phone, or text message. Once your card is added, you can start using Apple Pay to make transactions. To do this, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment has been made. One of the best practices for using Apple Pay is to keep your iPhone and card's information up to date. This includes ensuring your card expiration date and address are current, as well as keeping your iPhone software updated. You should also be aware of your surroundings when making a transaction, and keep an eye on your iPhone to prevent unauthorized use. Another key concept to consider is security. Apple Pay uses tokenization to keep your card information secure, which means your actual card number is not stored on your iPhone or shared with merchants. Additionally, you can use features such as Touch ID or Face ID to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. When using Apple Pay in store, look for the contactless payment symbol, which indicates that the merchant accepts Apple Pay. You can also use Apple Pay for online transactions by selecting Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout. In terms of practical examples, Apple Pay can be used at a wide range of merchants, including grocery stores, coffee shops, and restaurants. It can also be used for online transactions, such as buying tickets or paying bills. To get the most out of Apple Pay, consider the following best practices. First, keep your iPhone and card's information up to date. Second, be aware of your surroundings when making a transaction. Third, use features such as Touch ID or Face ID to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. By following these best practices, you can use Apple Pay with confidence and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers.